Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I hope that this video will be useful for people who've accidentally changed the system language and they have no idea what to do right now and where to find proper options. So just follow my steps. So let's begin with opening the settings. So the app with gear icon. Then quickly scroll all the way down and tap on additional settings. So the option with 3 dots. Then tap on the second option, languages and input, and then tap on languages at the top, so the first option. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So now all you have to do is to simply find the language and tap on it. I'll pick this one. It will be immediately highlighted, and that's all. You do not have to confirm anything or whatever. You can just go back and the language is right now applied. Let me change it to English again. And this is how it works. It's really easy. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.